Want to hear that high-speed shutter? Not only have Nikon released the Nikon Z9, which I have been incredibly excited to get my hands on, and I have it right here, but they've also released the brand new 100-400 f4.5-5.6 S-line lens. And this is a stunning piece of kit. I've been shooting with the Z9 today and it has just been lovely. Let me tell you a little bit more about it. The lens has 5.5 stops of stabilization, and it's been balanced so that it sits really nicely with bodies. It doesn't feel really front heavy. Now, especially doesn't feel heavy on the Z9, of course, because that's a very well balanced bit of kit that I've got here. But I don't think it would feel like it on the Z7 either. It does feel like a lot of the weight is at the back of this lens. On the front of this lens, we've got a fluorine coating, which just means if you're getting any sort of oily fingers, any dust or dirt coming on the front of this lens, just helps to repel that so it doesn't stick and you can easily clean it off. Also, if you're shooting down by the sea and you get any of that salty spray, makes it easier to take that away from the lens as well. The minimum focusing distance on this lens is just 0.75 meters, so 75 centimeters, which means I can get in nice and close, because remember, that's to the sensor, not to the end of the lens. So that means I can get nice and close, almost get some macro shots with this. It makes it very versatile. I do love a 100-400. I have loved using this lens today. I can't wait to do more with it. I've really enjoyed reviewing the Z9 as well, so make sure to check that out on our YouTube channel. It's a great camera and using it with this lens was lovely. Now, if you want to find out more about the 100-400, make sure to leave a comment here. We'll try our best to answer any questions that you have. And also you can visit our store page. I'll pop a link in the description so you can easily find that. For now, a big thank you for watching, and I hope you join me again soon for some more videos from Wex Photo Video.